Have you ever looked normal in clothes, but the moment you remove your t-shirt, your body looks soft, your arms look thin, your chest has no proper shape, your belly or love handles are still there. And when you try doing push-ups, squats, or lifting something heavy, your strength feels much lower than it should be. This is what most people call skinny fat. You're not exactly overweight, but you're also not lean, strong, or athletic. And the worst part is, most people try to fix this problem in the completely wrong way. They start eating very little, they remove rice, roti, carbs, sugar, everything. Then they start doing too much cardio, running, skipping, HIIT workouts, 1 hour treadmill sessions. But after a few weeks, what happens? The weight may come down, but the body still looks soft. Why? Because you did not just lose fat, you also lost muscle. And when you lose muscle, your body becomes smaller but not better shape. That is why in today's video, I'll explain why you are skinny fat and how to fix it in a simple, practical way. Not with extreme dieting, not with crazy workouts, but with the right strategy. One of our clients in his 40s, working professional, came to us with the same problem. His weight was not very high, but his waist was increasing, his strength was poor, and he felt tired even after simple workouts. He was doing a lot of walking and eating less, but his body was not changing. Once we changed his approach, added proper protein, structured strength training, better meal balance, and simple daily activity, he started losing inches from the waist while his strength and energy improved. This is the real solution for skinny fat. You don't just need weight loss, you need body recomposition. Body recomposition means losing fat and building muscle at the same time. Now listen carefully. If you are skinny fat, your goal is not to become lighter on the weighing scale. Your goal is to become tighter, stronger, and more defined, because muscle gives shape to your body. Fat makes the body look soft. So even if your weight stays almost the same, your waist can reduce, your shoulders can look broader, your chest can look better, and your clothes can fit differently. That is why the weighing scale can sometimes confuse you. Now, how do you fix skinny fat? Step number 1, stop crash dieting. If you eat too little, your body does not have enough fuel to train properly or build muscle. You may lose weight fast, but you will also lose muscle. Instead, eat around your maintenance calories or create a small calorie deficit. In simple words, don't starve yourself. Eat slightly less than what your body needs, but enough to support your workouts and recovery. Step number 2, increase protein. Protein is the building material for your muscles. If your body is like a house, protein is like cement and bricks. Without enough protein, you can train hard, but your body will still struggle to build muscle. Research shows that people doing resistance training often benefit from higher protein intake, around 1.6 grams per kg of body weight for muscle and strength gain. Now, this does not mean you have to eat boiled chicken and broccoli every day. If you are a vegetarian, you can use paneer, curd, Greek yogurt, dal, chana, rajma, tofu, soya chunks, or whey protein if it suits you. If you are non-vegetarian, you can use eggs, chicken, fish, curd, or whey. For example, instead of just poha for breakfast, add curd or eggs. Instead of only roti sabzi for lunch, add dal, paneer, chicken, fish, or tofu. Instead of evening tea and biscuits, take Greek yogurt, roasted chana, eggs, or a protein shake. Small swaps, big difference. Step number 3, do strength training. This is where most skinny fat people make the biggest mistake. They only do cardio, and of course cardio is good for heart health, walking is good, but cardio alone will not build a strong looking body. You need resistance training. That means your muscles should work against some resistance. It can be dumbbells, machines, resistance bands, or even body weight exercises like squats, push-ups, rows, lunges, and hip hinges. WHO also recommends muscle strengthening activity for all major muscle groups at least 2 days per week for adults. But don't just do random workouts. You need progressive overload. That simply means slowly doing a little more over time. Maybe this week you did 10 push-ups, next week you try 11. Maybe this week you lifted 10 kgs, after some time you try 12 kgs. Your body changes when you give it a reason to change. Step number 4, walk daily, but don't abuse cardio. For skinny fat, walking is one of the best tools. It burns calories without exhausting your body. You can walk after meals, take calls while walking, park a little far, or do a 10-minute walk after dinner. You don't need to destroy yourself with HIIT every day. A target like 7,000 to 10,000 steps is a good practical range for many working professionals. Step number 5, sleep, and recovery. Your body does not build muscle during the workout. The workout gives the signal. Your body repairs and builds when you rest, eat, and sleep. If you are sleeping only 5 hours, eating low protein, and doing hard workouts daily, your body will not look better. It will feel more stressed. So try to get 7 hours of good sleep as much as possible. Now remember this. Skinny fat is not fixed by eating less and running more. It is fixed by eating smarter, lifting progressively, walking consistently, and sleeping properly. Don't chase fast weight loss. Chase better body composition, smaller waist, better strength, more energy, better posture, better shape and clothes. That is the real transformation. And if you're above 35 or 40 and you are struggling with belly fat, low strength, poor stamina, or you feel confused about what diet and workout to follow, then I have created a training video on my website chimpanzee.com. You will understand how our 12-week lean body program works and how we help busy working professionals lose inches, build strength, and get lean without extreme dieting or punishing workout. Start with the right plan, because once you stop doing random things, your body finally starts changing. This is Payas. I'll see you in the next one.